Siamo a Cesone di Valmarino, stiamo per partire per un percorso di 40 km molto particolare e sarà misto trail e collina e la temperatura è frizzantissima però non fa freddissimo. Ok, si parte!
Called you, a girl called you heart. Wonders a girl called you, dancing on my heart. Well, now I'm thinking to all the precious gems you gave me, and I know got the right to dance on my heart. In the morning I woke up to the sound of the rain on my windows. In the afternoon I spent time with Carver. Damn sure that it's good to let the riders be silent. You better listen to the sweet sound of your ribs. A girl called you as deserved all this outburst of words and sounds to find a girl like you. Or leave and stop breathing. I've tried to stole the stars from this black sky. I wandered through meadows to pick up all the flowers. God help me, but you're nothing near your love. I've got to try harder if I really want to reach you. It seems all my excitement are just vain. All you want is just the whole of me. We'll be together today as if it was our first date. And tonight we'll dance away all the pain. A girl called you has deserved all this outburst of words and sounds to find a girl like you. I'll leave and stop breathing. got me, baby, falling for you. Don't worry, it'll be tomorrow morning, maybe in France. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Anyway, anyhow, we'll be together, and I'll stand by you as you stand by me. All I really want is you. 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 And tonight and forever, dream of me, dream bright. And tonight and forever, dream of me, dream bright. My name is Thomas, and I can't believe if I don't put my finger in the wound of my Jesus. My name is Thomas, I will not believe if I can see the wound of the nails in the hands of Jesus. It seems we are old, Saint Thomas. We can't really have faith, and this is sad, oh so sad. 40 days and 40 nights have been enough to Jesus, but now it seems we're in the desert every day. A break through the soul, it's all we need. Let's find some big acts and deliver against this wall. There's a shadow rising on the world today, and I don't know where I got to run to hide away. Don't want to do a sermon to anyone at all. All I'd love to stare at is our reflection. It's such a shame, shame, shame. Screaming it's a scandal, it's a shame, 'cause what we deserve is more than this blind cave where somebody want to push us into where we stand, deaf and blind. A break through this wall, it's all we need. Let's find some pickaxe and deliver it. A break through this wall, it's all we need. Let's find some pickaxe. Minutes and seconds ticking away, but it's time if you don't build your life. What is life? One step after the other, if there's any of my brothers dying. What is happiness? Fake little smiles, if we are divided by avarice and fear. What is justice?